Hey, Outsanda here. So today I'm happy to announce this video editor I've been working on for the past 2 weeks. So I'm going to show you quickly how this is working. So here we can press play and we have a clip, and I can, let's say I want to save a clip from this video. You just press 2 and press 2 again to stop. And now if I go into playback mode, I can see the clip we just created. So press 3 to reset the video so it can reload. And here you can see the clip we just saved. And now if you want to save another file, so here we saved as running man 0, I can just press 4 and it will save a new, we can save a new clip now. Let's save a new clip and let's stop it here. And now if I press 3 again, we have this new clip. It's called Running Man 1. So yeah, this is the main functionality of this project. I can go between the two clips we just created by pressing 5 to go back. And if I wanted, I could actually save the clip again by pressing 2. So it can save the same file again. And now if I press 3, it's gonna be just that little part. So you can kind of trim your videos further like this. Of course, for the moment, it's pretty limited. I would like more control over using the timeline to be able to slide, things like this. But this is just the first release. So yeah, I think this is already a good base. Like if you want multiple shots, you can just increment and save various clips from your videos. So now let's get to the installation of this project for you. So let's start by heading on to the Patreon link I gave you in the description. Here you can download the record pack zip file, and once you've extracted it, you have these 3 files. So here we will save the movies. Here you can put the videos that you want to use. We can use other folders as well, but this is just for demonstration purposes. So let's open up the new project here together. You also have a README file here with all the commands, and it's important to note that this saver, you cannot put any videos inside the TD recorder file here. So just keep it outside anywhere on your computer, just not inside this file, because it won't recognize your videos otherwise. So this is what you should find on your computer. So just here you can select in the source, just press plus, and let's find the recorder pack. We just downloaded it, and head on to the sources folder and select this video just as an example. So press 3 to reload the video, and now we have the clip. Let's go to our exports and go to exports, and here you can just name so I already have dancer, so let's call him contemporary, something like this. Save. And so now if I want to save this contemporary 0, it's gonna save this here from now on. You can also go in full screen mode here, not that it will change anything. And so now if I press 2 again, let's go into playback mode by pressing Shift Tab and press 3 to reload the video, and now you have your clip saved, and you can see what you just saved. And it's also, of course, here in the folder, contemporary 0 here. So you can choose the format you want to export in. You can choose if you want sound or not in this UI tab here. So all the parameters are controlled from here. That's the only thing you need to worry about. And here you can increment the files. Of course, here in playback mode, you will only see the actual files which have this name. So we only have the first one here. So if you want to reset and press Control 4, it will go back to the first iteration. And we can see this and go back to source mode. And yeah, just maybe to finish off, I could show you that it works with any other videos. So if I go to any video on my PC now, I can just open it up and yeah, save it as something else. I can save it as Galaxy or something. And yeah, just press 2 to record, and from whatever point you want, you can also like pause it, reset, and start fresh, you know. So now we start fresh, and yeah, now we can go to playback and see our clip again. Don't forget to press 3 to reset the clip. And that's it. I hope you can use this for whatever project. You can see this as a toolbox also for your own implementations with this kind of stuff. So I made like a user interface, and I used scripts and text tabs to make this happen. I'm sure there's better ways, and I will improve the system. I want to be able to manipulate this time code. I also need to show the reverted time. You know what I mean? So yeah, but there's a lot to do. So I hope you can at least get started with this. Saving multiple shots from large video files. I think this is a cool thing to have. I'm definitely going to use it. Something I felt I needed because, well, Windows default trimmer is not that good. It just kind of destroys the quality. And I don't want to open a video editor every time I do something. So I think this tool comes pretty handy if you like, you know, you want to save a file there, and you want to save another file here, let's say. Now you go back here and you can just view it all instantly. You know what I mean? And like you can switch and can get ideas fast for how you want to combine the clips. So yeah, that's what I have to give you for now. So feel free to share and let me know what improvements you would like to see in the near future. Have a great day and see you soon.